In today's video, we are teaching you how to warm up cold pizza
the right way. We are teaching you the right, delicious way, not the freaking nasty way in the microwave where it turns soggy and gross and you cry the whole time.
Nobody wants gross, soggy, microwaved pizza. Ew.
Ew.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, we're gonna teach you how to do it the right way.
If you like this video, make sure and subscribe and go ahead and check out our other videos in our pizza series where we teach you really cool things about pizza and how to make it in different ways.
Yes, check those out right now. So our secret today for how to warm up cold pizza the right way is to use either a toaster oven or your regular oven, and we are going to be using
Broil.
well, let's get started. Okay, so we have our cute little tiny toaster oven pan that is Robin's
It's my favorite thing.
And we put a piece of our cold pizza that just came out of the refrigerator onto our tin foil covered pan. We are warming up the toaster oven as we speak on broil. So get it all hot and ready to put this pizza in.
Just got the pizza out of the toaster oven and we're gonna give it a try.
Yeah, it looks like it literally just was delivered or came out of our own oven, but I'm excited.
I'm ready to eat it.
Let's do it. Love pizza. Also, we're using forks because we're sharing this pizza. Normally we don't eat pizza
like
with a
germs.
fork. We're just saying. Normally we eat
it's-
it like normal people.
But like, I don't like germs.
She doesn't want to share my germs.
Sorry guys.
Fine. It's crispy. There's no sogginess going on.
That's the best second, what is it called? Reheated, second cooked. The best reheated. That's the best reheated pizza I've ever had.
I like second cooked.
Not second cooked.
I like it better. I think we should start calling it that. No reheating going on. It's called second cooked.
Remember guys, don't put your pizza in the microwave when you reheat it because that's the gross soggy way.
The grossest.
Yeah. Use your toaster oven or your normal oven on broil and it will taste like it did the first time that you got it.
Yes. It will taste delicious. Make sure and give us a thumbs up and share this video with all of your friends. And thanks so much for watching, and we will see you next time on College Kitchen.
Bye.